Hello my dear students, how are you all? I wish all are fine and doing well at your home. So my dear kids, today I am here with the video of GK. This is our book, Knowledge Portal. Okay, all are having book. So today what we are going to do? We are going to complete our first and second chapter together. So my dear kids, let's start from chapter number 1, Animals of our World, page number 5. In this chapter, we will come to know about the animals, something special. As it is written here, you will see, world is full of thousands of different kinds of animals. These creatures include mammals, birds, reptiles, fish, insects and more. So read some interesting facts about few animals here and boost your knowledge. So what will be we will do to know about the animals, we will boost our knowledge. Okay, let's start. The best known rat species are the black rat, Rattus rattus, and the brown rat, Rattus norvegicus. The group generally known as the Old World rat or true rats were originated in Asia. Rats are extremely social and affectionate animals. They enjoy the company of other rats. Rats take care of injured and sick rats in their group. They tend to become lonely and depressed without companionship. It means to say rats do not like to live alone. They like the company, and in company they enjoy. They make happy laughter sounds while playing. Usually you see at your home, na? Sometime you will see that rats are moving here and there and they are enjoying and making a sound. This is the sound of their laughter. Okay. Now next is shark skeleton are made of cartilage instead of bone. What is cartilage? Hard flexible bone. So the skeleton of shark is made of cartilage instead of bone. It is a flexible bone. Sharks are also different from bony fish because they have eyelids. It means bony fish are not having eyelids. The smallest shark is the dwarf lantern that grows only to 6 inches, and the largest is the whale shark that grows to a whopping 41.5 feet in length. How much big it is? Sharks have the thickest skin of any animal species. Some of them have skin that is 6 inches thick. It means the thickness of their skin is 6 inches. Now next, turtles spend most of their lives in water. Turtles, you know, na? They are adapted for aquatic life. Aquatic means watering life, with webbed feet or flippers and a streamlined body. Terrapins are turtles. Terrapins, especially one of the smaller kinds of old water, that is insects. These are terrapins that live. Here you will see in fresh or brackish water. They usually live in swamps, ponds, lakes and rivers. Swamps, understood na? Where mud and water is together and make a, we can say, daldal in Hindi we can say. They are omnivorous. They eat everything, flesh, plants, etc. Now the fourth one. Did you know there are only 3 species of elephants living today? Rest extinct. So they are the African bush elephant, the African forest elephant and the Asian elephant, also known as the Indian elephant. Elephants are herbivorous animal which spend up to 16 hours a day eating plants. Actually, these elephants spend 16 hours a day. Out of 24, 16 hours they spend to eat plants. And they are herbivorous. It means they only eat grass. African bush elephants are the largest. Next one is our planet. is home to 5 species of rhinoceros: the black rhino and the white rhino, which live in Africa and the Sumatran, Java and Indian, or great one horn rhino, which inhabit the tropical forest and swamps of Asia. Again, they live in swamps of Asia. Swamps, as I told you, it is a daldal. They are herbivorous. Again, they are herbivorous and like to munch on a lot of grass and plants at night, dawn and dusk. Okay, I hope you understood. Now next, dogs. Dogs are direct descendants of wolves. It means they are from that family that is of wolves. Descendants. They were domesticated between 9,000 and 34,000 years ago. The fastest breed, the greyhound, can run up to 44 miles per hour. It means in 1 hour, these greyhound dogs can run up to 44 miles. The world's oldest breed, the Saluki breed, the Mastiff, weighs about 200 pounds. The Basenji is the only barkless dog. It means it does not bark. Dogs can be trained to detect cancer and other disease in humans. It means we can train these dogs to know about the cancer and other disease in humans. And as you know how much helpful dogs are for us. Here one thing else, info nuggets is given, that also we will read because this is the important thing. So here what is written: the wax moth has the best hearing in the animal world, followed by the bat. Cats have 32 muscles in each of their ears. Grasshoppers, crickets and locusts have ear on their knees. These are the special things about the animals. I hope all enjoyed, right? So now look at page number 7. Here what we are going to do, we are going to complete this. Name the following animals using hints provided. Here hints are given, we have to complete. So this is the picture. Look at all the pictures closely and then come to know. First is a deer. This is called Addax. Addax. Second, what is this? This is blobfish. 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 Now the next picture. This is markhor. 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 I hope spellings are going to be clear to you. Now the next one, this is a picture of fish. You will see this is called boreal. Okay, Boreal, boreal. Now the next one, everybody knows about it. Dangerous, more than crocodile. It is called gharial. Gharial, gharial. Okay. Now the next one, sailfish. Sail, sail. Fish, sailfish. Now the next one, here again we will see the picture of this animal, and this is alpine ibex. Alpineibex. Alpine ibex. And another one is pangolin. Pangolin. Just look at this, it is having a cemented body. Okay, so these were about these animals. Now here something else. Write one special characteristics or use for each of the following. So what we have to do, we will write some special characteristic with the given words. Elephant's ears. So here it is written, what is the special characteristic? When elephants feel hot, their ears work as fan. Camel's hump. despite of the camel's hump, it has a straight spine. It means to say while it is having a hump on its back, but the spine is straight. Now, grasshopper knees. What is the special quality of these? Grasshopper has ears on its knees. Next, bat's eyes. A special quality, bats can see with their eyes but not clearly. So this is not an special quality, but here we have to say something. Next one is frog's eyes. Frog's eyes. Frogs have eyes on the top of its head, so it can see clearly whenever they are underwater. Next one is giraffe tongue. The food of most of the giraffe is acacia leaf, which is protected, so the giraffe's tongue is so long that it helps them to eat acacia leaves. These are called means thorny leaves having thorn on this. Okay, I hope you understood. So can we come to the next chapter, chapter number 2. Here this is, look at page number 8, magnificent mammals. Across the world there are more than 5,000 species of mammals which are found on land, in the sea, in desert, as well as on poles. These diverse inhabitants also include human beings. So here we will come to know about them. Try to find out the answers of the following questions. Okay, so first we will do this work. Which animal eats around 30,000 insects in a day? So many insects, 30,000. So bat can't be. Definitely giant is written here. So giant ant eater. Next is, which is the largest mammal of the land? Here, African elephant. Next question, which of these mammals is an omnivore? Which animal? This is bear, because elephant is herbivorous as we studied in the last chapter. So bear. Which of these mammals live underground? This is groundhog. Next question, which of these animals is a mammal found in Antarctica? So the answer is penguin. So now next, okay, read the clues and fill in the boxes to name these extraordinary mammals. Really, this is an extraordinary mammal. Also called the pygmy chimpanzee. This animal is native only to lowland rainforest of Congo. Its facial features are highly individualistic. This is bonobo. B-O-N-O-B-O. Okay. Now come to the next page, page number 9. Here, the only mammal having large scales made of cemented hair covering its skin. That is also I have told you in the last chapter. It is found in tropical regions of Asia and Africa. It rolls up like a ball when threatened. Whenever it is going to be threatened, that time it rolls like a ball. It is called pangolin. Spelling is given here. You can see clearly. Next is this fish eating mammal belongs to the family of weasels and badgers. It is a semi-aquatic having a slim body, short limbs and webbed paws. What is the name of this? Otter. O-T-T-E-R. Next is a recently discovered large mammal. It is a unique due to its long horns and facial glands, also called the Wu-Quang ox. It is a quite solitary forest herbivore, native only to Annamite Mountains on the Vietnam Laos border. So you can see the picture and come to know the name. Saola, Saola, Saola. And the next one, having hoops with even numbers of toes, striking horizontal black and white strips on its thighs and top forelegs. It is the only other species of the giraffe family. And what is the name of this? Okapi. Okapi. Okay. Now the last work of this chapter, write T for true and F for false statements. Mammals are invertebrates. No, they are having backbone. So they can't be. So this answer is false. Next is, mammals are warm-blooded animals that maintain a constant body temperature. Yes, this is true. Mammals are believed to have evolved from raptors, a group of reptiles. So this is wrong. It means this is false. So my dear kids, we have completed our 2 chapters in this video. I'll be soon with you with another videos. So please complete your work and learn each and everything whatever is here in this chapter, in these chapters. Okay? Stay at home, stay safe. Thank you, my dear children.